Hello and welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Isamoje. I'm glad you guys have been following me. You guys are enjoying my content. I really appreciate you guys for the views, for the subscription. I want to say thank you for you guys. Thank you to you guys. Thank you for everything you guys have been doing. You guys have been supporting my channel, and that is giving me the motivation to put out these videos daily. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm not going to stop anytime soon. So without wasting much of the time, I'm just going to go straight into today's tutorial. So we're going to be using Canva as usual because it's easier for most of you guys. It's cheaper. Photoshop is a paid software. Canva Pro is super cheaper. It's 20 times cheaper than Photoshop. So I'm going to be using Canva.com. You can use the free version, but I don't advise it, and I will let you know later in the video. So I'm going to open Canva.com. So now we're on Canva.com. As you can see I opened it with my Chrome. It's not software based, so you can open it on your browser. I'm going to create new design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. Create your design. For this, we're going to be doing something unique, something most people love. It's not like we're making designs that don't sell. Our aim is to always create designs that sell, designs people want to buy, designs that are popular, designs that make you passive income. That's the aim of this channel, and that will not change. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So for this, we're just going to start with elements. We'll go to elements, come to shapes. So I'm going to be using this circular shape, so I'm going to click on that. As you can see, I'll try to make it bigger. So to make it bigger, I'll just move my mouse to this edge, press down my left mouse click button and drag outward to increase. Then I'll move my cursor to the middle and just position it just in the middle. Like you see, those two red lines show in the middle. So now I'll just change this. I'll just change this to gray, change it to gray, and I'll go back to elements and just go through frames. Okay, no, not that one. So I'll just go through frames, and I'll just scroll down. What I'm looking for is just something like this, something like that. Nothing too complicated, just this is what I'm looking for. So that I will increase again, pressing down my left mouse click button with my mouse over here. So I'll just drag that outward like so. I'm gonna drag that again, just like that. I'm gonna change this color again, change it to, let's see, this does not look bad. So now that we are done with that, we'll go to pictures, and this is where you need Canva Pro. You can get pictures you can use for your designs. Obviously you can use all these for your designs. There are so many you can see, you can use them. You don't need to pay extra fees for them, as you can see, but there are obviously some that are paid. There are obviously some that are paid. For this design is going to be a cat, so I'm looking for cats. Or should I look for cats and dog? Let me just look for cats. So as you can see, we have this cat image. So you can see some of them are not free. Obviously some of them are pro version, so you need the pro version. So that's why I say you always want to get the pro version. So the ones that are free I will do without crowns, the ones that are not free I will do crowns. So I'm just going to go to elements. I just wanted to show you that, so that you know the reason why you need that. So I'll do cat again. I just want to use element from cat, so I'm just going to use this, and I'll just find a sweet cat like this one, and I'm just going to put it into this design, and I'm going to make it bigger like so, just like that. And then I'm just going to click on that and shift it to the back. Just say send backwards once, Ctrl Z, So send backwards, or no, we do this send forward, bring forward, just like that. So now we have that brought forward. Now we'll move our cards. Sorry. So I would like to move these cards a bit. So I'd just like to move these cards up a bit. So, and now I'm going to bring in this shape back into position, like so. So now, as you can see, we've gotten the frame out of our cards, and now we can just go over and save this design. Remember, now this is the cool part of it. As you can see, it says transparent background, but if you click on it, it tells you to try Canva Pro. So you need Canva Pro to get the transparent background. So now if you check the first link in the description, you're definitely going to get my link, my 30-day free trial link on Canva Pro. So make sure you use that link, the first link in the description. Click on it, sign up for Canva Pro before you start to make your design, so that you can get this background, this white background off your design, because you always want your designs without the background. Because with that now said and done, you would be able to put your designs on so many designs, so many shades, so many colors. It will not necessarily have to be on one particular colors. I hope you get my point. So I'll advise you to check the first link in the description to do that, so that you can get Canva Pro free on me for 30 days, so that you can use it to make as many designs as possible. Canva Pro is good because you can use it to get premium images and premium elements free. You can use on your designs, that is guaranteed. So I'm just going to click on downloads, and I'm going to download this. As you can see, so far we've just used 7 minutes, so it's not that complicated. So now we'll just go and click on our design, show folder, and this is our design. So if we click on it, you're going to see it's on the white background, and you don't want that, because the way it is right about now, you can only put this design on a white shirt, and I'll show that to you. I'll show you that. So I'll just go to pictures, mockup, and let's go back and open pictures on a new tab, mockup, and find my anger mockup. This is it. So I'm just going to show you what I mean by putting your design, making sure your design does not have a background. So now with this one, if I bring in my design, as you can see, if I bring in my design, if I get rid of this design and just go over and bring in my design, you will notice it's going to come with the white background, which we don't want. So as you can see, it comes with the white background. So if we reduce this, press enter, go to file and save. When we go back to our design, you can see it's going to be there. Ctrl T, and just reduce this. As you can see, it's there on our shirt. It's there. Yes, some people might like it this way, but I don't like it this way. I always like my design without this white border. So that's why I tell you, you always want to make your designs white, so you can see it will only work properly on a white shirt. As you can see, even at that, you still find out that you still have that white border. So that's why I always advise you get Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, you don't need this white background. So check the first link in the description to get Canva Pro free 30 days on me. Using my link, you get 30 days free on me. So make sure you get Canva Pro. With that said, I'm just gonna say thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please, you guys should remain safe. Please keep your health high. You don't want to be bothered about the situations around you. Just be happy, stay blessed, stay safe, make passive income with t-shirt design, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. One love.